Hey guys, welcome to Time and Turmeric. Today we're making blueberry muffins. So right here we have about a cup of blueberries, but in the end we ended up using about a cup and a half, and then only 3 spoons of brown sugar because can you tell I'm on a diet? After that we're gonna add a half cup of all-purpose flour, about a cup of pancake flour, and just a pinch of nutmeg and cinnamon, maybe a half a teaspoon each. And then you're gonna want to mix that up, and then after that, we're gonna add about a half stick of melted butter, a cup of milk, and a pinch of vanilla extract. So you can always add more milk if you want, and this ended up being too thick, so we added more milk. And then the half cup of blueberries that we needed, and just a pinch of orange zest. So after that, we have some greased muffin things, trays, and then we're gonna put the batter in. And this is the final product. Honestly, these were really good, and I recommend